Didn't earn the cross with my hands, didn't climb my way to grace. Mercy found me where I stood, called my name, took my place. Not by strength, not by law, not by what I tried to be. I was saved the moment you showed mercy to me. But grace didn't leave me standing still. It changed the way I walk. Faith was never meant to hide. It always finds a voice. Works out the evidence of faith, not the reason I'm redeemed, not the door that brought me in, but the proof of what I believe. Saved by grace, alive and true, changed by what I've seen. Works out the evidence of faith, not the cause but the fruit in me. Every word I choose to speak, every step I take each day, every act of love or mercy shows whose voice I obey. Not to earn what's already mine, not to prove myself to you, but because your spirit's living in everything I do. The fire doesn't judge my soul, the blood has settled that. But what I build upon this grace will one day face the flame. Works are the evidence of faith, not the reason I'm redeemed, not the door that brought me in, but the proof of what I believe. Saved by grace, alive and true, changed by what I've seen. Works are the evidence of faith, not the cause but the fruit of me. No condemnation, but accountability. No fear of losing you, just reverence for how I live. One day I'll stand before your light, not to hear my sentence read, but to see what lasts or what I built on the grace that you already gave. Gold or ash, reward or loss, still your child, still secure. But I want my life to honor you in everything I do. Works are the evidence of faith, not the reason I'm redeemed. Grace alone has saved my soul, but love obeys what it believes. I won't work to earn your love, I'll live because it's true. Works are the evidence of faith, and I give my life to you. Saved by grace, living it out, faith made visible.